friends, here's the Mayuri back with the new video on Tutorial 3, that is features of Java. My dear friends, here are some of the features of Java which I'm going to explain you one by one. So let's begin it. So the first feature is compile and interpret. My dear friends, usually a computer language is either compiled or interpreted. Java combines both these approaches, thus making Java a two-stage system. Java uses both compiler as well as interpreter. In Java, source code is not directly transferred into machine code. Firstly, it is transferred into bytecode and then into machine code. The source code is transferred into bytecode by compiler, while bytecode is then transferred into machine code by the interpreter. My dear friends, the bytecode can be interpreted on any machine. Now, the second is platform independent and portable. My dear friends, the main goal of Java program is write once, run anywhere, anytime, forever. That means Java program written once can be executed on any machine irrespective of its platform, and that's the reason why Java language is famous. Platform is made up of hardware as well as software. Hardware platform consists of configuration of machine. Software system mainly consists of operating system. The Java program created on one machine can be executed on any machine with different platform. This makes Java as architecture neutral, portable, and platform independent. Third, object-oriented. Java is true object-oriented language. Almost everything in Java is an object. All program code and data reside within objects and classes. Java comes with an extensive set of classes arranged in package that we can use in our program by inheritance. The object model in Java is simple and easy to extend. Hence, Java is object-oriented. Fourth, robust and secure. Java is robust because of two reasons, that is memory management and second, exception handling. Robust in the sense means strong. Java is robust language. It provides many safeguards to ensure reliable code. It has strict compile time and runtime checking for data type. It is designed as a garbage collected language, relieving the programmers virtually all memory management problem. Security becomes an important issue for a language that is used for programming on internet. Threat of viruses and abuse of resources everywhere. Java system not only verify all memory access but also ensures that no viruses are communicated with an applet. Hence, Java is robust and secure. Fifth, distributed. Java is designed as a distributed language for creating applications on network. It has the ability to share both data and programs. Java application can open and access remote objects on internet as easily as they can do in a local system. This enables multiple programmers at multiple remote locations to collaborate and work together on a single project. Sixth, simple and small. Java is considered as simple as compared to C and C++. My dear friends, because it has omitted the complex concept of C and C++. Java has inherited syntax from C and C++ and also several object-oriented concepts from C++. Seventh, high performance. Java performance is impressive for an interpreted language, mainly due to the use of intermediate bytecode. According to CERN, Java speed is comparable to the native C++. Java architecture is also designed to reduce overhead during runtime. Further, the incorporation of multi-threading enhances the overall execution speed of Java program. Dynamic. Java program dynamically can load an interface required to execute at runtime. Java is dynamic language. Java is capable of dynamically linking in new class libraries, methods, and objects. Java can also determine the type of class through a query, making it possible to either dynamically link or about the program. depending on the response. My dear friends, these were all the features of Java. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel.